Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Overwatch 2 on Nintendo Switch. First, make sure your Nintendo Switch console is connected to the internet. You'll need a stable connection to download the game and play online. Next, navigate to the Nintendo eShop from your Switch home screen. This is where you'll find all digital games and content. Search for Overwatch 2 within the eShop to begin the download process. Once you're in the eShop, use the search function to find Overwatch 2. It should appear as a free-to-play title. Select the game and then choose the free download option. The download size is substantial, around 20 gigabytes, so it might take some time depending on your internet speed. Ensure your console remains powered on and connected during this process to avoid interruptions. After the download and installation are complete, launch Overwatch 2 from your Switch home screen. You'll be prompted to link a Battle.net account. If you don't have one, you can create it easily through the game or on the Battle.net website. This account is essential for cross-progression and playing online. Once linked, you can jump into the action, perhaps starting with the tutorial to get familiar with the heroes and game modes. To enhance your Overwatch 2 experience, consider a Nintendo Switch Online membership for additional benefits like cloud saves. Also, explore the in-game settings to optimize performance and controls to your liking. Many players adjust sensitivity and button layouts for a competitive edge. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy teaming up with friends and diving into the exciting world of Overwatch 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.